Hey guys, and today we're gonna be making a dessert clicker. It's like a clicker game, except you switch the type of food you click when you reach a certain amount of points. First, we're gonna start off by deleting the scratch cat, and then we're gonna go to Paint and start importing our costumes. So I have downloaded cake and I've downloaded M&M cookies. And then I also have a chocolate chip cookie. So now I'm going to remove the backgrounds from all of them. On the cake, all I have to do is remove the candles and the plate. And then for the cookie, I have to remove the background image. And then the M&M cookie just has a white background. But now for the cake, it has a pixel background. So now I'm going to really quickly choose one more so we have 5 desserts. And it's going to be the muffin. So now I'm going to drag it into the order I want it. So first I want the muffin, then I want the cake, and then I want the M&M cookie, and then I want the chocolate chip cookie, and then I want the cake last because it's the most delicious one. Alright, now we're going to start coding. So first we're going to start off with a green flag clicked. Switch costume to Muffin A, Forever, If Then, inside the Forever, we're going to go to Operators and drag out equals 50, and then we're going to make a variable and call it Dessert. And then another one called Timer. So we're going to set the desserts equal 25. So that means the number of desserts. I'm going to duplicate it and put it at the bottom, and then I'm going to change it to 50. And then I'm going to change this to the cookie M&M. Duplicate it again. Put this as 75. And then set this one to cookie. Not the cookie M&M. I'm going to duplicate it for the last time. Set the desserts equal 100. And switch costume to cake. Alright, so that's for switching the costumes when the score changes. Yeah, so now we're gonna start for the reaction when we click it. So we're gonna go when this bright click, set size to 125. We're gonna animate a little animation and then wait 0.1 seconds. Then we're gonna put another set size at the bottom, except put it as set size to 100. And then another when this bright clicked, and then we're gonna put change desserts by 1 under it. So now we're gonna drag out when green flag clicked and set desserts to 0. So this is a simple cookie clicker, but I want to change it a little bit. So I'm gonna add a timer and a you win and a you lose. So basically it's gonna be a cookie clicker, but you have to click really fast, and if you don't finish a number of clicks in time for the timer, then you lose. So I'm gonna drag out when green flag click. Set timer to 0. And then I'm gonna change it to 30. And then I'm going to put a wait 1 second under it, a forever 2, and then I'm going to go to variables and put change timer by -1 inside the forever. And then I'm going to put a wait 1 second. And then I'm going to put you win at the bottom. And then are you lose. So I'm going to drag out an if then, an equals 50, another equals 50, an and a not. And I'm just gonna start putting them together. So equals 50 goes in the and, not, another equals 50 goes into the not, and then the not goes into the and. So now we're gonna put timer equals 0 and not desserts equal 100. So if timer equals 0 and the desserts aren't up to 100 yet, it says you lose and it stops all. And then if desserts equal 100, say you win. Oh, so there's a simple bug. It's just that I put a you win under the desserts equals 75. So I'm going to take it out, and then we'll do it again. Good. So now we will test this out. So it works perfectly, and here is our game. Perfect. Thank you for watching, and bye.